Enjoyed this video. What is good, A-Team? I am back again with another banger video, and today is a really special video. I feel like I always say that, but today is like a really special video, and also a sad video. We have my mother here, and she's gonna explain what happened.
So we're on our way to Pelham Bay Park. Adiemi, myself, his dad, his uncle, and his aunt. And you know, Adiemi's a runner from other posts, and even though it's raining outside today, he's fully committed to running 2.23 miles in honor of the memory of Ahmaud Arbery. Hopefully you all have heard of this tragic situation, but I wouldn't be surprised if you haven't, because it hasn't received the coverage that it should have received, which is not unlike similar situations, but pretty much it's a young, promising black man whose life was cut short, again because of racism and hate and evil towards black people. So this happened back in February, but just last night, today's the 8th of May, just last night arrests were made, not because justice was on Ahmaud's side, but because people were, the community, his family, and people who just will not tolerate another year of this type of behavior towards black people. So we've had 400 years of it. If you're black in America, it's never been safe, and we're not trying to do 400 more. And that's why we are on our way to Pelham Bay Park. This Adiemi is doing his part in memorializing Ahmaud Arbery. Unfortunately, we're doing this. But what does your shirt say, Adiemi? What are you running in? We're paraphrasing one of the ancestors.
It says nah.
It says nah, we ain't doing this. Rosa Parks, all right? The guy in the counter truck.
You can say the same.
Oh, Damien. No, only Marty, who rang our bell the other day.
She did?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Told us that our window needed to wind up. Sure you don't want to run it on the track? Maybe we have to hold this on the track. We want to walk the car around the park. We'll probably get less wet around the park.
Huh?
I said we'll probably get less wet running around the park. Walking around the park than walking on the track.
Probably. The red is going to eat up just now.
Truly?
So empty. We are here.
You're working on. Tension bands. See this one?
Do that again.
Running for Ahmaud. Here comes Adiyemi, injured. His knee is hurting. Is that a raccoon?
I think it's a cat.
Be careful. Here he comes. Good job, babe. That's dedication.
Did you just dip?
Good job. It looks like
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a little video that I just really wanted to do.
what you want to do.
And I just hope you enjoyed this. Okay, so as I was saying, I just hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you did it too. Even if you didn't go outside and you just ran in the treadmill, I hope you did it also. And bye now. I hope you enjoyed this video.